The applicant is challenging Section 11(1) of the Anti-Corruption Code, under which he is charged. Kazinda is questioning the manner in which he was rearrested following his grant of bail by the Anti-Corruption Court Chief Magistrate. While applying for a temporary injunction, Kazinda's lawyer, Ambrose Tebyasa, said if the proceedings against him are not stayed and his trial continue, his right to a fair trial would have been violated and no amount of compensation would atone for damages meted. Tebyasa faulted the actions of the Director of Public Prosecution and the police to rearrest Kazinda after he had been released on bail by the Anti-Corruption Court Grade 1 Magistrate Emmanuel Raguma. He said Kazinda was rearrested at Case Clinic where he had gone to seek medical attention. The applicant is still on bail, which he has never enjoyed, and his witnesses have never been withdrawn. Tebyasa says since he was granted bail before, he can only go back and abide by those conditions on which he was released by the Anti-Corruption Court. He said that though Kazinda was granted bail in respect of only one charge, there is need for an order that is all-embracing to avoid future rearrests. In reply, Senior State Attorney Margaret Nabakoza relied on an affidavit sworn by Senior Principal State Attorney Erisha Bafirawala to ask the court to dismiss Kazinda's application as premature and misconceived. She noted that Kazinda has 3 files and more investigations are still ongoing regarding the different forgeries he and others at large were involved in the year 2011. She asserts that the DPP has already completed investigations in the charges Kazinda is facing in the High Court Anti-Corruption Division, and there is enough evidence on the police file to warrant his prosecution. 3 judges of the Constitutional Court, Stephen Kavuma, Augustine Nshimye and Remi Kasule, promised to give their ruling on notes. Kazinda, the former accountant in the office of the Prime Minister, and others still at large are accused of forgery of the signatures of the Permanent Secretary in the office of the Prime Minister.